Geami Wrap & Go provides a streamlined, aesthetic approach to sustainable packaging. Geami is a completely paper-based solution for wrapping and protecting goods during shipment. The die-cut paper expands into a three-dimensional cushioning product that is highly effective for protecting fragile items. Geami Wrap & Go's sleek design makes it an excellent choice for low to mid-volume applications. It fits easily into any packaging environment, and a patented self-adjusting tensioning mechanism means that operation is both reliable and straightforward. Wrap & Go replaces air bubbles, foam, and kraft sheet packaging with sustainable, cost-efficient, and eye-catching protection, ensuring an enhanced customer experience. With its modular functionality, the Wrap & Go allows you to meet your own specific packaging needs. You can select to use die-cut paper only, or add interleaf tissue for increased protection. Ranpak's tissue is available in a variety of colors and can be custom printed with your company's logo for a fully branded customer experience. This compact, retail-focused solution is an excellent fit for in-store packaging environments. Reach out to your local Ranpak sales representative or visit ranpak.com today to begin your trial.